What? Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches, ayy. Look how that Rari sit up nasty on them inches, ayy. Big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a pic.
Hi Barbies! Welcome back to our channel. It's been a while.
Like a really long time. Probably like 2-3 months. And we know we keep telling you guys like every time we make a video we're gonna try to get more consistent. But Nuki just did a move, so it's a lot harder now for us to try to get these videos together. We got an email quite a while ago and we just recently checked it, and a brand actually reached out to us to do a review on one of their new palettes, which is currently
the Me Beauty by Febble. It has 42 shades, and let's just show you exactly how it looks like. The company that sent this to us is called Queen Beauty Shop, and you guys should totally check them out. They have beautiful products there.
Yeah, they have so many like pigmented things that we are hoping to try and show you guys more. But today we are just gonna get in with 2 different looks. So yeah, which one are we gonna do first?
First a natural look, and then a tropical look.
So let's just get right in.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in and just start to specifically do a certain type. I feel like that just all sounds so stupid. We're basically recreating our own looks today, so we're gonna go in with like how a cut crease is with. I don't even know how to explain that.
What are they even called?
I don't think they have a name. A cut crease. We're gonna do a certain type of cut crease for you guys today. You're just gonna have to follow along. We have no idea what the name for it is. We just sat here dumbfounded trying to figure it out, but we still can't. So we're just gonna go in close up and show you guys exactly what we're talking about. The way I'm gonna start mine is I'm literally just gonna put some of this really thick concealer on my hand, and I'm gonna make the shape out first. Once I make the shape out, I'm not gonna go over it really with any setting powder. I'm just gonna use the sticky base to get basically my colors on. And remember, this is a natural look, but more of natural colors.
Natural colors.
Not really a natural look, sorry.
I really do love this palette though.
They have so many nice colors.
So much natural colors, but so much like pop-in colors too.
That is why we're doing a natural look and then a tropical. Now that we have basically our shape done and we've gone up close and shown you guys exactly how we both like create the shapes in our eyes, we're gonna go ahead and blend colors in an ombre motion of going from lightest to dark. And like I said, we're gonna be using natural colors, so like beiges, tans, browns, a little bit of oranges just to give it more, you know, of a color. But obviously we're gonna go right in and show you guys what that looks like. Trying to make sure these look as much alike as possible.
I don't think mine looks alike at all.
Mine never look alike, and I have to try my best to make it look alike. I didn't learn my shapes that well. The first color I will be going in with is warm gray, which is basically just a white.
Second shade, we're gonna go in with Barley. Blend that in right next to the white.
The next color I'll be going in with, or the next shade I'll be going in with, is called Inspiration. So remember, we're just blending them all together to create an ombre effect, just like what we have on our right side of the eye.
The next shade we're gonna go in is Shook. Now we're going in with Shook and just blending that in with Inspiration.
The next shade we'll be going in with is called Sweet Tea.
We're then gonna add Boundaries right to the outer, blending in Sweet Tea.
Our second to last shade is gonna be Hot Cocoa.
And lastly, we're gonna go in with Mocha and just extend our wing. Okay, so I know our eye looks kind of messy, actually really messy right now, but we're gonna go in with some concealer and just clean up the sides and make sure everything's precise and nice.
So it's really easy. You're basically just going around making the shape more precise, just like how we did it in the beginning, putting the concealer down, and then afterwards you'll just basically blend it out and then put some setting powder on it.
And the last step to this eye look right here, we're gonna go in with Mocha, Inspiration, and Shook and just smoke out the bottom lash.
Like we keep saying, even though this is a natural look, these colors are just so beautiful in here. We're gonna specifically use the color Sakura?
Sakura. I think it's Sakura.
Something
like
that.
Naruto or something.
Something like that.
It's a beautiful shade and it's so beautiful. We're just probably gonna put it right in our inner corners. Really pigmented.
Yeah, it is so pigmented.
We're gonna go off camera really quickly, put on our lashes, and come back for close-ups.
We have our lashes on now. We're gonna individually get up close and show you guys this look before we move on to our second look, which is obviously gonna be our tropical look.
We'll be right back with a fresh face and do our second look for you guys.
Now that we have our second look on our right eye, we're gonna go in and detailed and show you guys exactly how we got this look. This was a look that we recreated from a post that Nuki actually did almost a year or two ago.
Yeah, probably like a whole year ago, last summer, and I'm so excited to like show you guys with this palette that we have. And let's just get started. First, to achieve this look, we're gonna go in with yellow and apply that all over our lids.
For our transition color to blend into our yellow, which was Sunkissed, we're gonna go ahead and use Madness.
Next, we're gonna go in with Babyface and just make sure it's like more depth, in depth.
Now we're basically gonna go in and do our cut crease really quick and then we'll come back. Our cut crease is basically going to be a complete half circle. So shouldn't be that hard to do. We're gonna go back in with Sunkissed again and just pop it right into the beginning of our cut crease.
Then taking a Wake, which is this beautiful lime green, we're gonna pop that right next to the yellow.
Going in with Matcha, which is just a little bit of a darker of a green. I'm just gonna put it right next to the lime color.
Going in with Breath, it's a beautiful turquoise shade. I'm gonna add that to the outer corner.
Last color we'll be going in with is Cornflower, which is basically just a dark blue. And we're just gonna finish that off with just putting it at the end. And then basically going in and just filling in any of like the unblended spaces and just making it like a complete ombre with all of the colors we just showed you. My eyes always look uneven no matter what I do. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red, which is Mary, and just kind of fill around it just to make more of like a depth line.
So on our lower lashes, we're just gonna go in with Breath, the turquoise on the outer side, and then Matcha right in the middle, and then Sun-Kissed right in our inner corners. We're gonna go off camera and put our lashes on and be right back for this final look.
We finally have completed our second look. We're gonna go in with our close-ups now just to show you exactly the look that we created for you today, and then right afterwards we'll just kind of give you a little bit of a review of what we thought about this product. Okay, so now this is our time for like our review, like our final word on this palette. And honestly, hold on, this is eyeshadow and blush palette.
Yeah, these ones are blushes.
Like I'm gonna go in with Bloom.
I'm gonna go in with Bloom and Youth. Cute too, because it does has that blush texture. First off, what I think about this packaging, it is so cute and handy and like so
I think
tropical.
we love tropical things, like the whole palm tree vibe.
It's so cute. I love the gold letterings, and like the back has like so many different languages. And then right on the back it shows you all 42 shades, and then also the 7 blush shades included in this little palette. Or not that little, but...
Oh, this was a really good palette for us, to be fully honest. It really comes with every single shade you need for
a day-to-day look.
Really though, I think that this palette is so worth its price. For $25, this palette is definitely a steal. I believe shipping is free on their website too. I don't know, for these colors to be as blendable and as pigmented as they are, $25 is like worth the price compared to a lot of these like newer palettes, you know, that are around like $50 to $70, if you know what I mean.
If this was like probably a palette you buy in Sephora, is probably like $80 for a palette like this.
With 42 shades in there too.
And these are so pigmented. It has like such a soft texture to it. I just love it. It blends really great too. This palette is also cruelty free, which is so good.
No testing on animals, which is so great.
Well, this is it, Barbies. I hope you guys liked our little looks with this palette, and thank you so much, Queen Beauty Shop, for sending us these beautiful palettes.
And I hope you guys are excited for watching this one, because our next video will be coming up super soon actually. We are planning on doing something new, which hopefully we can get on that channel, our channel, and then you guys will be able to see exactly what that surprise is.
It's gonna be fun. Alright Barbies, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye! Secondly, we're gonna go in with Barley. Second in, we're gonna go second shadow, the second shade. It's a beautiful orange shade, just a little tad orangier. Just a little tad orangier. And blend that in next to warm gray.
Blend it into warm gray. What the fuck is warm gray, bitch? That looked like warm gray. Call that one barley. The next shade we'll be going in with is called Sweet Pea. The next shade we'll be going in with is called Sweet Tea.
There's an animal here. We wanted to add some sparkle because there's some extra bitches.
We're like a natural look. Actually, no.
I feel more flaunty with these.
I know. Like.
Yeah.
I forget that all the time, even though we zoom in or whatnot on a TV that they're watching on is gonna be like super exaggerated of our face.
I know, we're like. The thing about it is we do this, we're always like. And we flutter our lashes so much. Okay, we'll just. We have our second look right on our right eye. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna say that again because I wasn't too sure.
And then taking from the back.
What the fuck is happening out there? I'm like, Johnny, you tormenting children? I'm not trying to get that in our video. It's like,
They're like, are you kidnapping someone behind me?
I feel like we do so many close-ups, I always just feel so awkward doing this.
I always feel awkward just looking at you and staring at me doing this. I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing right now.
I know, we're just like, hopefully it'll all look good for like the photos. This product is also cruelty. You can say it.